Hey you guys, welcome to Little Pug Games and welcome to today's episode. So, today I'm going to show you guys a little game I've been working on since yesterday. So, I joined a game jam yesterday and then I ended up making this little guy. So, I'll show you guys this game and I don't have a name for it yet, but it's like a twitchy use your mouse kind of game where you just have to shoot the monsters before they get to you. And after I show you guys this, I'll also show you guys something cool. I'll show you guys the reason I named this channel Little Pug Games. And then the last thing I'll go over is what I have in store for the next videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's my, at least what I have so far. So let's check it out. So you can't really move from the center, so it's just try to get the yeah, I added scripts and so pull a script recoil on and I've only created this one level so far, but it'll get harder and harder, but you'll get different types and also add some enemies. But that was the first level, and I have not added any code to make it continue to the next level. And I still want to change a couple things. So with the dead guys, I want to actually show a little blacked out dead body so that you can see the carnage you left behind, I guess. So yeah, this is a little guy I made. I'll probably finish it up in the next couple of days. The game jam ends in 5 days. It's a weekly game jam on itch.io if you guys are wondering. Definitely join up. That's a pretty cool community. Yeah, and then so let me show you guys something else. Memo, come over here. Get your ass over here. Alright, he's a little bastard. So he's kind of being lazy. But here he is. Say hi, boy. You're just lazy. Okay, he doesn't want to really play right now, but he's usually a really playful guy. Okay. Oh yeah, so yeah, that was Memo. He's the reason I named this channel Little Pug Games. I really like dogs and pugs, and he's my little guy. So, what else? Oh yeah, so for the next videos, so I like top-down shooters a lot. So you can make a lot of different types of games by using a top-down type of format. RPGs, like I said, top-down shooters, and other types of games, racing games, top-down racing games. So my next series of tutorials will be focused around how to create a top-down format game. So we'll go over how to create your characters, how to create movement animations for the different types of movements, left, right, up, down. And I'll also add some shooter code so you can add some kind of weapon system to your game, and how to create maps and enemies. So it'll be like creating a mini game from scratch. So I think we'll learn a lot of cool things in this, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So that'll be coming up sometime next week, at least the first episode. So definitely stay tuned. And once I finish this game up, I'll post something so that you guys can check it out. But yeah, that's it for today. Let's see, anything else? I don't think so. But yeah, Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.